Bulbous bow. A bulbous bow is a protruding bulb at the bow or front of a ship just below the waterline. A bulbous bow also increases the buoyancy of the forward part and hence reduces the pitching of the ship to a small degree. So, ang purpose ng bulbous bow ay nag-modify siya the way the water flows around the hull. Nagre-reduce siya ng drag and thus nag-i-increase siya ng speed, range, fuel efficiency, and stability. Pero nagdidepende rin ito sa sa gaano kalaki yung ship. Um, yung mga malaking barko na may merong bulbous bows ay generally have 12 to 15% better fuel efficiency than similar vessel. So, rudder. A rudder is a primary control surface used to steer directing the fluid past the hull, watercraft, or fuselage, thus imparting a turning or yawing motion to the ship. Rudder, kung sa Bisaya patimon, ito yung dahilan kung bakit lumiliko yung barko. Ito yun rin nagkukontrol sa barko kung saan kayo pupunta, saan ka liliko. Engines. The engines used on board ships are internal combustion engines, a type in which the combustion of fuel takes place inside the engine cylinder and the heat is generated post the combustion process. Ship engine working principle. As mentioned earlier, IC or internal combustion engines are mainly used for marine propulsion and power generation purpose. So, engines or sa Tagalog or Bisaya, makina. So, ito yung dahilan kung bakit yung barko tumatakbo. Yung naman, yung makina, kailangan to ng fuel para mapatakbo yung yung barko. So, last, anchor. The purpose of an anchor is to keep a ship safe and secure at a desired location or to help control the ship during bad weather. However, to accomplish these vital purposes, just having an anchor is not enough. The anchor must be solid, dependable, and used properly at the right time and place. Ang anchor ay isa sa pinaka-importante sa barko dahil ito ang nagbibigay proteksyon. Sabihin lang natin, yung kapitan gusto muna mag-standby due sa bad weather. Yung barko kailangan talaga may anchor, hindi pwedeng wala. Dahil yun ang nagsisilbing proteksyon para hindi matangal ng hangin yung barko.
Hello everyone, I'm Nino De Los Santos. I'm here to report some part of the ships. First is funnel. Near the bridge there is a funnel. A funnel is the smokestacks or chimney on a ship used to expel boiler steam, smoke or engine exhaust. Ito po yung mga klase-klaseng o iba-ibang disenyo ng funnel. Next is bridge. The bridge is a room or platform of a ship from which the ship can be commanded. When a ship is underway, the bridge is manned by an officer of the watch, aided usually by an able seaman or acting as a lookout. Ito po yung modern ship bridge at ang old ship bridge. Next is propeller. A propeller is a rotating fan-like structure that is used to propel the ship. The ship is moved through the water by one or more propellers. Shaft transmit the rotary motion of a ship's engine to its propellers. Ito po, malalaking propellers. Next is life buoy. A ring ship floating life preserver. Life buoys are required primarily to assist in a man overboard situation.
Anchor or sa Bisaya, angkla. So, the anchor is used to secure the ship in a stationary position to the seabed. It is a heavy steel device shaped is to grip the seabed to hold the vessel, or offshore insulation in a desired position. Anchor chain, sa Bisaya, kadina, na dagko. So, the anchor chain is the chain that connects the anchor to the ship, and it also known as anchor cable. Mooring. Mooring is to secure a vessel in position at quay to buoy. It is securing to a dock or to buoy, anchoring with two anchors. Windlass. Windlass is an anchor engine used for heaving in the chain, cable, and anchor. It is an apparatus in which horizontal, vertical drums or gape side and wildcats are operated by means of a steam engine for the purpose of handling heavy anchor chair hawser. Sa Bisaya ni kuan siya kanang tikuha sa kadina tig hapsay. Bollard. Bollard are vertical posts used for securing hawser, mooring, ropes, and etc. And they can also call bits. Capstan. Capstan is a vertical revolving cylinder. It is placed on the forecastle used for heaving the cables and mooring ropes. And it is still warping drum rotating on a vertical axis for the handling of mooring lines and optionally anchor cable.
Hi everyone, I am Jude Albert I. Kotarak. So I am here to discuss about the parts of the ship. First one is a superstructure. A superstructure is an extended construction of any building or platform and rises above the rest of the building or platform in a distinct manner in the ship. The word comes from a combination of two Latin words. The Latin prefix super means in addition or above, or in excess of, whereas the esteem word structure means to build or to keep up. So the next one is the bulbous bow. A bulbous bow is a protruding bulb at the bow of a ship just below the waterline. The bulb modifies the way the water flows around the hull, reducing drag and thus increasing speed, range, fuel, efficiency, and stability. So the third one is the deck. A deck is a permanent covering over a compartment or a hull of a ship. On a boat or a ship, the primary or upper deck is the horizontal structure that forms the roof of the hull, strengthening it and serving as the primary working surface. So the last one is the hull. A hull is the watertight body of a ship, boat, or flying boat. The hull may open at the top, such as linking in the picture, or it may be fully or partially covered with a deck. The line where the hull meets the water surface is called the waterline. So that's all. So thank you for the listening.